Dear students, welcome to Political Science Unit number 4 Global Problems and India's Role. In this video, let us discuss about the answers for the questions which are given in Unit number 4. After watching this video, click below, you will get the links of previous chapters. Let's begin. Fill in the blanks with appropriate answers. First one, Human Rights Day is celebrated on dash. Human Rights Day is celebrated on December 10th. Second one, India has been arguing in favor of human rights since dash. Answer is its membership of UNO. Third one, human rights involve dash equality also. Answer is human. Second main, discuss in group and answer. First one, what were the major problems that emerged after World War II? The major problems that emerged after World War II were denial of human rights, arms race, economic inequality, apartheid, terrorism. These were all the major problems that emerged after World War II. Let's move to second question. Explain the struggle led by India for the implementation of human rights. India has been advocating Universal Declaration of Human Rights from the beginning. In the Constitution of India, from Article 12 to 35 of Part 3rd, fundamental rights are discussed. India has been advocating for better human rights implementation in all the meetings of UNO. In order to monitor the human rights implementation process, India formed Human Rights Commission at national and state level. These are all the struggle led by India for the implementation of human rights. Let's move to question number 3. Arms race leads to total destruction of the world. In this background, what are the effects of arms race? In nuclear repo, either we have to end the war or the war will end us. In the current scenario, arms race appears to be a dangerous phenomenon. Insecurity, fear, instability, and threat of war appear due to the arms competition. It is also believed that money is wasted on arms and ammunition in the world. These are all the effects of arms race. Let's move to question number 4. What are the features of economically backward countries? What are the reasons for this backwardness? The features of economically backward countries are lack of technology, agricultural backwardness, lack of educational facility, ill health. These are all the features of economically backward countries. The reasons for this backwardness are colonialism and imperialism, shortage of food, lack of medical facility, lack of educational amenities. Fifth and the last question, what are the measures taken up by India to eradicate economic inequality? India continued with its non-aligned policy. India insisted that the developed countries should provide assistance to developing countries without any conditions. This helped the poor nations to protect their self-respect. It tried to channel monetary help to the third world countries. These are all the measures taken up by India to eradicate economic inequality.